you a buy new, be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, did y'all see the title? I know y'all did. I'm known to see the title. I'm known to see what we're gonna do today. I purchased a couple clips, headbands, and hair ties, you know, little scrunchies for my hair, and decided to show y'all. I am not really big on wearing headbands and stuff like that, but I realize when I have braids or when I have styles that last me for a couple weeks or so, and sometimes you see the edges starts to frizz out of the hairstyle, but the middle is still intact and everything still looks good in the back, and you don't want to take it out. That's how these come in. I'm sorry I don't have the hairstyle right now to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I was hoping I would get these headbands before I took out my knotless braids, because if I had these while I had my knotless braids, I would wear my braids longer. So yeah, these are just for like bad hair days basically. The headbands are mostly for bad hair days. Please tell me these are extras. Some look like something just drop out. Hopefully it's not off of the, you know, come off of the headband and it's just like extras if I lose any. Okay, so it comes with extra little diamonds, you know, little, what do you call them here again? You know what I'm talking about. These are the things on the headbands. It came with like 3 extras in the bag just in case you lose any. But how cute is this? This is like a off-white. I was hoping it will be a white like what I'm wearing. What I'm wearing right now is white, but this is an off-white. Let's see. It has like a little knot in the front. I like it. And also I have outfits that could match with these headbands. So if I could find pictures of like outfits that can go with this that I have here already, I'm gonna put pictures right here so you could see. So next we have this brown. This looks like a corduroy material. Well, it feels like a corduroy material. The first one that I showed you guys felt like sweater, like the knitted sweater, like those type of material. This one is like a corduroy, and I have an outfit that I could wear this one with, and I'll put it right here somewhere. You get a close-up. This is how this one is looking. I don't feel like this is the hairstyle I should be wearing with these headbands, but I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section if this hairstyle works with these headbands. But I hope you guys get the idea what I was trying to explain to you, the reason for this headband. So this one, let me give you a close-up. By the way, did I tell you guys I purchased these from SHEIN? I don't know if I said that earlier in the video. And I got all these headbands and clips. Everything in total was $21. I feel like that's a good deal. I know you could get headbands at the beauty supply store for $1, but the material, these material, is worth it. And I'm just reading the paper that came in the packaging. Okay, so the first headband That one is called Rhinestone Decor Knit Headband, and this one is called Solid Knit Headband. All right, we got the names. We got the names. We got the names. All right, we getting somewhere. Like I said, I won't be wearing these a lot. These are just for like bad hair days. And the material, I don't know how I feel about these material with my hair, because as you guys know, cotton dries out your hair, and I don't know. I don't know. I never want to tear it, you know. The feels. The feels. Alright, so these are like a velvet, or yeah, it feels like velvet. And guess what? I have outfits. Listen, I'm gonna be inserting outfits here that I'll wear with these. But look, it is velvet. Let me try. This is the color black. Wait, I don't understand what's going on here, so the one here bum kinda too bumpy. I don't know what's high. They're cute, the material is good, and that's all that matters, right? Right. And then we have the pink. It's pink, right? These two are called the fluffy headbands. Oh, I'm just gonna be calling it velvet headbands. So this one, I'm gonna insert the outfit right here. The picture is gonna be right here. That will match this headband. Look there. You know what? It's starting to grow on me, like it just might be for this hairstyle. Like, I don't like how this one is shown in the camera. I don't know if you guys can see the real deal. Come on, just focus now. You're not focused on the locus. Come on. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. See? This is the material for both of them. Let me show you the black again. See? Yeah. In this package, what did I get? Oh, these I'm not gonna really try on because of my huge puff. I don't think this can go over my puff right now. But how cute are these velvet scrunchies with the little bows? So cute. If I have like my little ponytail, I could wear it. My little buns that I be doing sometime, I could wear this. 3 pieces came in the pack. So these are the solid scrunchie scarf. So you have the brown, mauve, and black. Can't go wrong with black. These are beautiful. These are beautiful. So that's that. Next we have here, listen, how many came in the pack? 5 pieces came in the pack. So this one is called the Leopard pattern scrunchies. You have the black that looks velvet. Sometimes you don't have to wear them in your hair per se. You could wear it on your hand like this with your outfit that it matches. It looks cute like this sometimes if you wear it on your hands. Leopard print, like the brown leopard print. Cute. They're all like velvet material. Let me show you close up. Now we have the pink leopard print. Pink, pink, pink. Mauve. And also this is like a wine red, like burgundy wine red wine red. So I have a dress that matches this one. So next we have the rhinestone engraved clips, leather clips. 2 come in each pack. Queen. I'm gonna put star on this side. Then we have boss. These are just dollar signs. I thought they were both boss. Yes, girl, yes. So let's get a close-up on these. So that's it for this little mini haul. It was just a few headbands, scrunchies, and clips. Like I said, I purchased them from SHEIN website. I can leave the link down below in the description box for this website, and also I'll leave the names down below of these clips, scrunchies, headbands. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Sesame nearly dropped. Always something. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little video. Please remember to subscribe and hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. Also, stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.